Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can redeem your John Lewis gift card, and it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for johnlewis.com, the official website of John Lewis. And to redeem your card, you need to have an account, alright? Or not having an account as well doesn't matter. But yeah, having an account will make it, more easy. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys without an account because I don't have an account. But the steps are similar, alright? Once you're in an official website, buy something. So I'm going to click on shop now and I'm going to buy this. I'm going to click on add to your basket. Now you can buy whatever thing you want, alright? You don't have to buy the thing which I bought. Buy whatever thing you want, click on your basket. Over here, continue to check out. And since I don't have an account, I'm going to click on this, enter my email. But if you have an account, click on this, log in into your account, alright? And on the next step, enter your name over here. But if you have an account, it's going to be filled automatically. So I don't, so I'm going to write it. And then choose the delivery date you want to be delivered. So I'm going to choose the free one and click on continue to payment. Once you click on continue to payment, it's going to take you to the page. Once you're over here, scroll a bit down, choose use gift card or voucher. Choose the type of gift card you have and then enter the gift card number and your gift card spin. Click on done and basically your John Lewis gift card will be added over here. Now you can scroll a bit down, click on place an order and pay, and your gift card will be used to pay whatever thing you ordered over here. That's how you guys can redeem your John Lewis gift card. Hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide them. Bye bye.